Dear students, the second topic is we can find acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, that is small g value, particularly for earth. So we are going to calculate acceleration due to gravity for the earth. So please listen. Now let's take the earth. Okay, the mass of the earth, let's take capital M. I'll take one small object here. Okay, so now I consider that mass is on the earth surface. Okay, so this mass is small m. Okay, just to focus here around. Okay, so small mass, it is on the earth, that is its mass is m. Then here that capital M is the mass of the earth. Then you know that earth radius is capital R. So if you know the mass of the earth and the radius of the earth, it is possible to find that gravity. Okay, so you know very well, now this object is on the surface of the earth, so it executes some weight. So some force, this mass exerts some force on the earth. So that is F is equal to small m into g. Okay, so that is taken as equation number 1. Then according to Newton's universal law of gravitation, this earth to expose some force on the mass. So that is there is a force in between the earth and mass, is that is F is equal to g into capital M small m divided by r squared. So r is nothing but from the center of the earth to the center of the mass. Okay, that means what? Approximately we can say that is the radius of the earth. So that only here. So this is taken as equation number 2. Okay, so just imagine how much force, some force exerted by the mass, the same amount of force exerted by the earth also, because equal and opposite reaction already you know. So like that we can equate equation number 1 with 2. So equation number 1 I can write as, that is mg. Equation number 2, that is g into capital M small m divided by r square. So in this derivation, small m will be cancelled. So the remaining term g is equal to capital G into capital M divided by r square. So this is important formula to find the gravity of any planets. So g value you know already. G value you know 6.623 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Then mass of the earth is 5.94 into 10 power 24 kilogram. So this much mass. Okay, but if you observe the book, they give directly 6 into 10 power 24, but it is most accurate value. And then the radius of the earth is, that is 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. That is okay, 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Actually 6400 kilometer will come. 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. This is the radius of the earth. So just to substitute these values here, so we can get g is equal to capital G value 6.623 into 10 power minus 11. Okay, this is g value. Then into mass of the earth 5.94 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Then divide by radius 6.4 into 10 power 6 the whole square. So if you substitute, then if you simplify this value, we can get nearly is equal to that is 9.8 meter per second square. So this is, this is gravitation, I mean acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So this is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, right. Actually this value is exactly for surface area of the sea level. Sea level only this value is exactly 9.8. Okay, then if you move away from the sea level, or if you move depth of the sea level, this G value is reducing. Okay, how it will be reducing, about that you are going to study in 11th standard. Okay, ஸோ அதனால தான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க நியூஸ்லாம் கேட்கக்குள்ள சொல்லுவாங்க பாருங்க, கடல் மட்டத்தில் இருந்து அப்படின்னு ஒரு வேர்டு சொல்லுவாங்க. இஃப் யூ அப்சர்வ் த தமிழ் நியூஸ், தே செட் ஃப்ரம் தி சர்ஃபேஸ் லெவல் ஆஃப் தி சி, கடல் மட்டத்தில் இருந்து இவ்வளோ ஹைட்டில் இருக்குது, கடல் மட்டத்திலிருந்து இவ்வளோ டெப்த்தில் இருக்குது அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ இட் இஸ் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் தி சர்ஃபேஸ் லெவல், பிகாஸ் இந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் லெவல் ஆஃப் தி சி லெவல் ஒன்லி ஹியர் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி த ஜி வேல்யூ இஸ் 9.8 மீட்டர் பர் செகண்ட் ஸ்கொயர். ஓகே, இஃப் யூ இன்க்ரீசிங், that is altitude, that is G value is reducing. Then if you move the depth, G value is reducing. Exactly surface level of sea only, G value is constant. Okay students, I hope you understand how to find acceleration due to gravity of the earth. Not only earth, okay, this is capital G value, that only universal constant. This is mass of the planet, this is radius of the planet. That planet name is now here earth. Instead of the earth, if you put Jupiter and Jupiter radius, you can get gravity of the Jupiter. Okay, appa idu vandu it is a common formula. Okay, you can put any planet mass and radius value, you can get the gravity of that particular planet value. Okay students, I hope you understand acceleration due to gravity of earth. Okay, thank you.